Hello guys, today we learn what is data type in C sharp. Let us see. A data type in C sharp specifies the type of data that a variable can store, such as integer, floating, character, string, its, and etc. Let us see different types of data types available in C sharp. Now see the chart C sharp data type. There are two data types like value type and reference type. When you will see value type in C sharp data type also is have different types like simple types, enum types, structure types and nullable types. When we talk about simple types, in this category the integral parts, floating point, character, boolean will comes. When we talk about reference types, in reference type we can see here class types, interface types, arrays type and delegate types. All the types, value type have a subtypes and reference type also have a subtypes. So later we will discuss this type of data types in another video. Now first we see what is value type. Now see. Value type, a data type is a value type if it holds a data value within its own memory space. It means the variable of this data type directly contain values. For example, let us consider integer value like integer I equal to 200. Now the system stores 200 in the memory space allocated for the variable I. The following image illustrates how 200 is stored at some hypothetical location in the memory, like 0 into 2329200 for I. Let us see the figure. Here you can see integer I equal to 200 and there is a memory location 0 into 23920 and value is 200 and that's RAM. So this picture will demonstrate memory location of value type variable. Now see the what is reference type. A reference type does not store its value directly. Instead, it stores the address where the value is being stored. In other words, a reference type contains a pointer to another memory location that holds the data. Let us consider it as a following example. Say string as hello, this is the reference type. This string value I have stored in S. The following image show how the system allocation the memory for the above string value. Let us see. Now string S equal to here you can see 0 into 6 double zero double zero zero and actual value is stored in this location like hello, this is a reference type that is RAM and 06 double zero double zero double zero. So this value basically locate the address and actual value is stored in different memory location. So this is the reference type variable content address where the value is stored. So this picture show memory allocation of reference type variable. Now here we can understand what is value type. In value type we have seen here for simple type integral, floating point, character, boolean. Now first we understand value type through the example. So here you can see example of value type. Here we define integer I equal to 200 and integer j and j equal to I. Here I have refresh assign the value of I to j. Now I have print like console right line I, console right line j, and j equal 300 copy of second value gets updated, and console dot write line I and console write line j, console dot read k. So open the Visual Studio and see, go to Visual Studio, go to file menu, new project. Now check console application, and here we have defined value data type, name of the application, value data types in C sharp, and click on OK button. So you can see our console application will be created. Now I want to check the value of value type. So same code copy here and check, run the application now. So one C again, integer I 200, integer j, and j equal to I have assigned the value of I into j and print I and j value. After that we have take a new value of j 300, and then I want to print I and j and see the result. Press on start button so you can see the result. First I 200, j value is 200. In second right line you have C I 200 and but value of j is 300, because you have assigned another value and indirectly value of this 300 assigned to j and that value printed into j. That is value type. Now also you can see the example of distance type. So now I have to comment these lines and see here I have defined a one class check reference type and put here a member value, public integer first value. So first I have defined a class. So defining class check reference types. Now copy this one and put here. So see here, make object of check reference type object one check reference type, and object dot first value I have assigned 100. Check reference to object 2 equal to object 1. Also I have assigned a value of object 1 to object 2. Then I have defined object 2 dot first value equal to 200. So now printing console dot write line value of object 1 dot first value, and value of object 2 dot first value. So I have defined a first value 100 and then assign of 200 object 2 value 200. So now run the application and see the result. So you can see here object value of 200 and object of value of object 2 also 200, because I have assigning the 200 here and define a object of object 2. So only reference type is stored. So this object 2 actually referring to the same object 1. Here object 2 is defined as object 1. So only 200 value will be printed here due to reference value. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.